Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Some of these were puzzling, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Joining a chess club is a great way to learn the game of chess, hone your skills, and meet new people who share a common interest. This can lead to improved mental health. Physical health benefits have also been linked to playing chess. The game can help improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and social interaction. Joining a chess club can help you develop these skills and improve your physical health. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by how much joy this classic board game brings. If you're used to cooking everything in olive oil, you may be doing more harm than good. Although olive oil is good for your health in moderation, cooking everything in it can indeed be negative for your health. When you cook with olive oil, the heat can cause the oil to break down and release harmful compounds into your food. These compounds can harm your cells, increase inflammation, and raise your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Studies have proven that talking to friends can be useful for your health. Good friendships are associated with lower stress levels, a stronger immune system, and a lower risk of heart disease. Friendship also has benefits for mental health, including moderating anxiety and depression. If you're having trouble sleeping, one thing you might want to try is avoiding looking at the clock through the night. It could help you sleep better and feel more rested in the course of the day. This happens because when you're trying to sleep, looking at the clock can make you feel anxious and stressed about not being able to sleep. This can then make it harder to fall asleep. Furthermore, looking at the clock makes you feel anxious since it shows you how much time you have left to sleep.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.